Ankit was a very creative kid. He was a very constructive kind of kid. He uh, till his brother came along. That's something which it's normal for the older siblings to feel that someone new has come, and therefore there was this little friction. He wanted all the affection which he thought now he has to share, but he was never a kid who troubled. Uh, we used to leave it at home, and he used to do such beautiful Lego. He would construct, like, half the floor of his room on various things using Lego. And I always thought that his motor skills were very good. It's another thing that when we got him tested for skills, his motor skills actually were not as high as we thought. And unlike many kids who tend to break apart things, he tended to value things. He had a craze for uh, cars, so he had, like, I think 4 or 5 dozens of those dinky cars which he would play with. So that's the kind of kid he was, really.
Auntie was telling me that they both brothers used to fight a lot.
Well, yes, yes, they used to fight a lot, and the difference between both of them is very little. They are just 18 months apart, so almost of the same age. And I guess that's not very uncommon with siblings. But one thing is there, that they would guard each other's secrets. So if you used to ask one that, does your brother have a girlfriend, or who's his girlfriend, they would never reveal that. I don't know how those kids knew that this is something that you can talk about, but there are other things that you should maintain a complete silence. So that was kind of a between them a quid pro arrangement, that I won't give your secrets, and you don't give my secrets.
They had an understanding.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
You remember the time when he was born? For the first time. What was that?
Yes, it was absolutely a wonderful feeling. And my biggest fear was that, am I holding him properly? I hope I won't drop him, because you've never experienced that something before. So it was absolutely a wonderful experience. Our life changed quite a lot after that. He was a kid who wouldn't sleep at night. So one of us would, be walking around, taking turns, trying to put him to sleep. And then at 5:30 in the morning, we would go to my mom's room and say that, अब आप इसको please ले लो, हम थोड़ी देर सो जाएं. So those were some of the memories as a child.
From that time until now,
Um, I think he's become a little more responsible. Obviously, in his work domain, he's now established himself, so I see him quite confident in the way he deals with people. Uh, he's been a very caring cousin, so for all his siblings who are younger to him, Ankit is very caring. Whenever he would meet them, the younger ones, he would, like, kind of put a protective ring around them. Uh, so of course, except for the fights with his brother, he took care of the younger people quite a lot. So that was a change that I saw. And then of course, his general knowledge about current affairs, that became very strong. Even as a kid, he used to engage us in conversations around, what's happening in the world. When we used to go to Bahrain, where his grandparents lived, the older people would sit around him and say, okay, now tell us about what's happening in cricket. And he would regale people with his knowledge about about cricket. And I think one key thing which always stood out was that Ankit was so fond of curd that whenever we used to go out to restaurants to eat, we had to carry curd with us, lest he wanted it and the restaurant didn't have the right type of curd that he liked. So that was a very funny part. So whether we were eating Italian or we were eating South Indian, curd had to be an essential part of the whole thing.
Yeah, coming to this. Acha, when was the first time you came to know about
That was quite a few years ago. I think I first met her at one of his birthday parties at home. And I think that's when they were together in college. I don't remember how many years, but at that point in time, I wasn't sure that she would be the one. That kind of came to light about, I would say, 2.5 years ago when we asked him that, have you taken a call that Anuja is the right person for you? And that's when he said yes. So that way we've known Anuja for, I guess, 3 to 5 years. I don't know exact period, but in that range.
so now when you see them together, what do you feel of them as a couple?
Well, first of all, it makes me feel that I've grown older. But I think as a couple, they look good together. I think they have similar wavelengths on many things. I'm not referring to both being lawyers, but in terms of interests, music, dancing, having fun. I think that's the good part. So I think their frequency matches on many levels.
Lessons or lessons for them as a couple?
Well, I would think they should have fun. They should develop relationships in both the families, help deepen those relationships, and basically learn how to enjoy life. I think it's very important to balance work and life. A lot of people tend to think that life should be run on certain milestones. That if this happens, I'll do this. If that happens, I'll do the next thing. My advice would be that take everything as it comes. Don't limit your life to milestones.
One last question about how is she as a person? Or what do you like about her?
Well, I think 3, 4 things. First of all, she's always smiling. She has a very bubbly personality. I thought she mixed with us and our extended families very well. And she can strike a conversation with a small kid and to maybe people at our age and even like my parents. So I think that ability to strike a conversation with everyone, that is a very good quality that she has.
Any other thing you want to add about any incident, if you remember any funny incident?
Ankit and Anush, when they were small, they used to sleep in one room, and we used to sleep in our own room. But almost every night, midnight, Ankit would come to our door and say that, I'm not feeling this or I'm feeling scared, and he would want to come and sleep in our room. So after some time, whenever we would hear him at our door, we would say, "Okay, Ankit, cut the story. Just come on, hop into the bed."